Welcome back. I have started the topic flames in the forest, and flames in the forest means simply the fire in the forest. And I have completed of the first page of the topic, and second page I have gone through the two paras, and after that just I'm going to teach. And before teaching, just I want to summarize whatever just I have taught you in this video. In that video, just I told you there are three characters in the story: Romi, Prem, and Teju. Romi, Prem, and Teju. And the whole story is about Romi was going to his house because the doctor had prescribed some tabs, and it was taken by his son Romi. And at the time of going the house, he saw there was fire behind him, and that was the rising flames in the jungle or in the forest. And his friend Prem told him to stay there, not to go, because it was 6 o'clock evening, and it was not favorable condition to go to house because the fire had been caught in the jungle. So he suggested his friend Romi to stay there, but he hadn't stayed because he had an obligation to go to the house. His father was not good, not well. He was unwell or ill, and just he had to give him the medicine, and because of that, he had to go anyhow. So he told his friend to go there. And while going to the house, he met with Teju on the jungle. Oh, sorry, in the jungle, and how they just saved themselves from the fire, and how they arrived at their house was the story. And in this story, I previously told you, just I have taught you the one page and just two para of the second page, and from the third page I'm going to teach you. And I'm always repeating the same thing, just go through the meanings. If you want to understand the topic properly, go through the meaning and try to understand it with your level, and just when I will teach you, you will understand all the thing. uh, Tall trees grew on either side, cutting off the last of the daylight, but the spreading glow of the fire on the right lit up the road, and giant tree shadows danced before the boy on the bicycle. It was alive with wild creatures filling the forest fire. And just when he rode on the cycle or bicycle, and when he started going, and when he reached at the jungle, just he saw that there was the tree both of the side, and just the glow or the flames of the fire was spreading there in great speed, and the road was not clear, not properly visible because of the smoke, and because it was being evening. Although because of the flames of the fire or because of the light, the road was clear, but because of the shadows of the long trees or tall trees, there were different kinds of pictures or different kinds of what to tell, different kinds of shadows on the bicycle because of the flames. And it was simply, we know how difficult it is to ride ride cycle in such a condition, because the first thing, it was being evening. The second thing, because of the fire, he was frightened. His mind was full of fear. He was not free. And the main important thing, that he had to save his life by cycling, and the fire was or the fire of jungle was just coming behind him in a great speed. So it was very tough for him to ride the cycle. Although he was cycling and just he saw different kinds of shadows of different tall trees on his cycle, and it was very just difficult for a child to ride the cycle. Although he was riding the cycle, he was cycling it, and the great problem arrived there. The animals, or all the animals who were there in the jungle tried to save their life, and they started fleeing, started running away from the jungle, and they started coming across the road where Romy was cycling. So it was very difficult for him to to ride it, to do the cycling, and to do the cycling properly without meeting the accident. The first animal that Romy saw was a hare leaping across the road in front of him. It was followed by several more hares, and he saw there was a animal, and that was hare. And when the hare came by leaping or by jumping on the road, he saw the just several more hares or group of hares followed by the hare there. Then a band of monkeys streamed across, chattering excitedly. And because of the fire, the monkey were chattering excitedly, and just they also came on the road. The first, he found the hare there, and the hare was followed by its group, and that time too he got difficult to ride the cycle. And after that, the chattering monkeys came on the road, and just it simply made it difficult for him to ride the cycle. Although he was saving his life by cycling, the fire was coming closer. Romy paddled harder, and the great problem was the fire that was coming, and he was just paddling the cycle very hard to run away from the difficult condition. Suddenly, from the side of the road, several pigeons rose in the air, and with a whoosh flew low across the path just in front of the oncoming bicycle. Just I told you, there was hare, after that monkey, and after that there was pigeon, and it was also in group, means there were pigeons. And pigeons means such bird which spend most of the time on ground, yeah, who which is not capable to fly so high. So when they came, they started flying across the path on very low height, and because of it also, just Romy got problem cycling, and they all came on the road in front of him. Taken by surprise, Romy fell off. Oh my god. He picked himself up and mounted the bicycle again. He rode a bit slower now because birds and animals kept coming out of the bushes. And just when the pigeons came on the road, just he got confused, and simply he fell off the cycle, or he fell on the ground. But he didn't have any time to wait on the ground or think what kinds of just injuries he had got. Had he got any wound or not? He didn't have time to think. So he got up and he mounted on the cycle, and started cycling it. But this time he was more careful because all the animals who were in the jungle started coming on the path, coming on the road to save their life. And because of it, he had to be careful to save his life. Then, by surprise, Rumi fell up. Oh, sorry, I have done. And a smaller birds too were streaming across the road. Parrots, jungle crows, owls, magpies, and the air was filled with their cries. And all the, just I previously told you, all the animals uh, whichever stay there try to save their life, and they all started running along the road to cross the jungle. And among them, like there were many birds like parrots, jungle crows, owls, magpies, different kinds of birds started flying from the jungle to save their life. Just I have completed the second page of the topic, and just I am going to start the third page of the topic. Everyone's on the move, thought Rumi, it must be really big fire. When Rumi saw that different kinds of animal on the way, yeah, on the path, then he thought that it might be very big fire. Because of that, many and different kinds of animals were on the road to save their life. The flames were reaching out from behind the trees on his right. He could hear the crackling as the dry leaves caught fire. The air was hot on his face. Leaves still alight or turning to cinders floated fast. Yeah, and the flames were reaching. We know, and just we might have, yeah, you might have heard the news about the fire of the jungle. It is spread very fast, and just here too, the fire was spreading very fast here, and just he was cycling on the road, and just he was listening the sound when the leaves were caught by fire. There was a crackling sound of it, and they were changing into the ashes. And by listening the sound and its speed, just Romy was cycling very fast to achieve his destination. A herd of deer crossed the road. For the first time, Romy felt afraid. And he was cycling, cycling, and cycling. And at the same time, he saw that a herd of a herd of deer, means the group of deer, arrived there on the road. And when he saw, he got confused. He got confused that he could become able to save his life or not. Simply, he became afraid. Just he was afraid because of the fire and because of the different kinds of animal which are coming on the road to save their life, but because of them he was being disturbed in cycling. He was getting different kinds of difficulties because of the light or flames. There was different kinds of shadows on the cycle, different kinds of shapes were there of the trees. That was the problem. Sometimes he was able to see the road and sometimes he was unable to see the road. After that he got difficulty of different kinds of small animals like monkeys here. After that, when he saw a group of deer on the road to save their life, he got afraid. From ahead came a faint clanging sound. The clanging came nearer, and Romy discovered that it was a small boy running along the forest path, two milk cans clattering at his side. and he simply listened that a loud sound of resonant repeating there. When there was a sound being listened by him or being heard by him, and he discovered that it was a small boy who was running, and there was two cans in his hand of milk which were just clattering and making sound, and it was none other than Teju, the third character of the story. That much. Just be safe, and just I will just teach the topic in next video.